Hello and welcome to the Koha Catalog Cart tutorial. The purpose of the tutorial is to demonstrate how to use the cart feature in the Koha Catalog. From the Smith Library homepage located at library.lutherrice.edu, click on the Find menu, click on Catalog Search. This will take you to the library catalog and give you access to keyword search. We will begin by logging into your account. Click on the Log into your account link and enter your student email password information. Click Login and click Don't Save. You will see your login ID up in the top right-hand corner. We will begin by clicking in the search area and entering our search criteria. In this example, it will be Savior Jesus, and click Go. A list of results matching the search criteria is now displayed. To add items to your cart, simply click on the Add to Cart. The message the item has been added to your cart will be displayed, and the number of items in your cart will be incremented by 1. To add multiple items at one time, decide which ones you want and click in the checkbox to the left. When you have all that you want at the top of the list, next to the With Selected Titles, click on the drop-down and then click Cart. Again, it's incremented, and the total number in the cart now is 5. Click on your cart, and this will open up your cart window display. There are several features available in the cart window. There is the More Details, where you can toggle on and off to see more detailed information about each item in your cart, including notes and other bibliography information. Click on the Brief Display, and this will toggle it back off. The next feature is Send. Click on the Send link, and it will open a window that says Sending Your Cart. You want to send the cart to library@lutherrice.edu and indicate if you want us to pull the books and have them on hold for you to pick up on campus, or if you want us to check out the books for you and then mail them to your home address at no charge. This service is available only to current online students living in the U.S., including Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico. In the comment area, enter your student ID, your name, and address, and then click the Send button. A message will be displayed that your cart has been sent to the library@lutherrice.edu. Click the Close Window button. The next feature available is Select or clear all the items in the cart. You can print the cart, or you can click the Empty and Close, and this will empty everything in the cart and close the window. And click OK. And you have completed your cart ordering process. Please feel free to contact the library by email at library@lutherrice.edu. Submit a question and a librarian will get back to you as soon as possible. Or by phone, give us a call at 770-484-1204, extension 5756. Or click on the chat box, or come visit us in person on campus, and we'll be happy to help you. God bless.